Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove this security tag if you have forgotten to remove it when you're going shopping, and then when you got home it'll be too late because you're too far away from the shop and you can't be bothered coming back to get it removed. So here's how you can easily remove the security tag. This one has an ink inside, so if we're not careful we can break the ink bottle and it will damage your clothes. Okay, so I have heated up the knife, put on a gas stove to make it really hot so that we can cut through it. Alright, so we try to cut the top here. Okay, so we have to be careful. If you're using a hot knife, then we need to be careful. Okay, so just like that, we cut it off. Because the knife is hot, so we can easily cut it off.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all.
Okay, so you can see the spring come off now. There is a spring underneath. So you can see there is a spring right here. So you want to get the spring out. Here it's kind of hot. Just put the knife away. Okay, so you can see underneath here there is a pin. That is the spring there. We remove that. So now that will expose the pin. There is a balls in here. This balls basically causes this one here to lock in the pin. So we got the ball right there that locks in the pin. Now if we turn this one around to this side, okay, so that come off. You can see inside here there is an ink bottle, 3 bottles. If we're not careful, we break the bottles, the ink will splash everywhere. So here we can now take it off, and there we go. So we have removed the pin and that's it. That's how you can do it. Thank you for watching this video.